Hi, today I'll be talking about very important points, and it's about how to be a good brother or sister. First, help your siblings as much as possible financially and morally. Second, influence yourself with them. Third, be generous and kind with them. Fourth, forgive them if they did something wrong to you. Fifth, always ask about them wherever you visit them or call them. Sixth, be the best support to them in difficult life situations. Seventh, help your family while cooking and cleaning the house. Eighth, be responsible and sacrifice for them. Be positive always. See you in the next video. Subscribe, like, comment. Bye.